Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put on magnetic eyelashes. They take a lot of practice, but once you get them, I think they look pretty good. I picked up the Ardell magnetic ones, and these are the ones with the accents. So if you want to know how to put them on, keep on watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. First, I'm going to curl my lashes. I use the Shu Umera eyelash curler. Next, using Lancome mascara that I will link below, I'm going to put mascara on my lashes. This gives the magnetic lashes something to stay on. Here I'm going to show you what the magnetic eyelash looks like. They attach to each other, and you'll see here that there's 3 small magnets. And this is what the other side looks like. There is a top and a bottom, and you want to make sure that they're lined up correctly. First, what I try to do is I try to place the top lash. These are the accents, so I try to put it in the middle of my eye, and then I'll take the bottom lash and I think about putting it right into my eye, because as soon as you get close to it, it magnifies each other. And that looked very easy, but it took me about 100 tries. So make sure you practice a lot. This is what it looks like from the side, and now I will go on to the next side. Again, you will see here that I try to put the first magnet in the magnetic lashes in the center of my eye. And then taking the bottom piece of the magnetic lash, and I do the same thing. I try to put it as close to my eyeball as possible and let it magnify. And here you will see another attempt. And that's just another example. You sort of just want to keep playing around with it, and I keep touching it so it stays close to my eyelashes and close to my eye as well. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. These are some attempts if you want to watch them.